One of the most basic functions of the merchant control panel is what we call the virtual terminal. This is how you can run sales and other transaction types directly through your web browser. From the home screen, you can click on credit card sale, or if it's active on your account, electronic check sale, to begin a transaction immediately. And also over here in the main menu, you can go into credit cards and do other transaction types, or electronic check and do some others. Right now, we're going to run a credit card sale. So I'm just going to go to this main screen and hit this, which takes me to the sale page. So this is the main page that you're going to go on. You can see there's quite a few fields here that you can fill out however you see fit. Required fields are marked with a red asterisk. So in this case, I need to enter a credit card number, expiration date, and amount. Everything else on this page is optional. So I'm going to enter some customer info. You'll see that as you fill out the form, the fields will turn green to know that there is valid content in them. If you enter something that is not valid, you'll get a validation message showing you what you need to do. I'm also going to give this transaction an order ID. This is my very first transaction, so I'll give an order ID of 1. And I can keep going down and fill out as much as I need. This is a basic transaction, so I'm not going to fill out anything else. And I also noticed down here that there's more information than I think I need. All this shipping information, I'm not going to need this. All I do are face-to-face transactions, so I don't need that. And also, I don't want to use the product manager. I want to get rid of that because this is taking up space that I could better use for other things. Up here at the top of the page, you see a plus icon and a wrench icon. If you click the wrench, that brings you into the form configuration mode. And you can see all the fields that we have. They're grayed out right now, so you can't interact with them. But you can hit these X icons next to each field to show it or hide it. I'm going to go down to the ones that I wanted to hide. Here's the product manager. Hit that. And then everything under shipping. Okay, now with all those gone, I'm going to go back to the top, hit the save icon. And now, when I look at the page, you can see that product manager is gone, and there's no shipping information anymore, but everything else is here. This allows you to customize the form however you like, and you can show just the fields you want. And in any case where you want to show more, just temporarily, you can hit this plus icon to show every single field available. Hit minus to go back to your normal set. You'll also notice that some fields have informational buttons on them. You can hover over the eye, and you'll get a pop-up showing you what exactly this field is looking for. Okay, now that everything's filled out, I can go to the bottom of the page. You'll see a checkbox down here to send a receipt email. If I check this, upon a successful transaction, any billing email address that I enter will receive an email indicating the transaction was approved. If I leave that unchecked, an email won't go out. I'm just going to hit charge. All right, perfect. The transaction was approved, and I can see all of the transaction information right here. If I'd entered billing and shipping information, it would appear in this section here. I get an auth code back from the credit card processor, and I get a transaction ID, and this is a value that is used internally and is totally unique to this transaction. In your account, you will never have two transaction IDs that are exactly the same. Up at the top of the page, there are a few options. You can print a receipt if you want to print one for your records or to give to a customer. You can email a receipt, and this will let you enter any email that you'd like and send the email to them. And if these are available for your account, you can click Create Subscription to create a recurring subscription for this customer, or you can add to the vault to add this customer to your customer vault and charge them at a later date.